Alright, hello. Welcome back to the Crash YouTube channel. Inside of this video, I'm going to show you how to sound like Lil Shine in 5 minutes.
I'm Lil Shine In, I'm 12 years old.
Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Alright, I'm going to have a different approach for this. I'm just going to play it raw first, and then you guys can hear that I suck at making music. Hold on.
Bitch.
Flicks out, no way about the sticks out, yeah. Withdraws, I need another sit now, yeah. Change us, spilling tricks all on the wicks, yeah, huh. Pissed off, yeah, my jeans still got rips, yeah.
Bitch.
I keep on losing myself, yeah. I said I love you, but I don't love no one else. Ha, I'm blowing at that bed, you can tell by the way it smells. When I die, I'm going to hell. But a drink, I never to sell. You love me, it's hard to tell.
And I just kind of like recorded it. Alright, sorry, I accidentally muted myself. This is the main right here only.
Flicks out, no way about the sticks out, yeah. Withdraws, I need another sit now, yeah. Change us, spilling tricks all on the wicks, yeah, huh. Pissed off, yeah, my jeans still got rips, yeah.
And then I recorded a layer like this. That was the wrong one, sorry.
Flicks out, sticks out, yeah. Withdraws, sit now, yeah. Change us, spilling tricks all on the wicks, yeah, huh. Still got rips, yeah.
And then this is the ad-lib, like the whoa!
Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And so then everything all together, like with the presets on. Hold on. And this one right here it was not like included. It's kind of just like it's OTT. I added a flingus and then a fruity fast distortion. I'll like play it with and without so you can hear the difference.
Bitch.
Flicks out, no way about the sticks out, yeah. Withdraws, I need another sit now, yeah. Change us, spilling tricks all on the wicks, yeah, huh. Pissed off, yeah, my jeans still got rips, yeah.
And then if I played it with the it's like
Bitch.
Flicks out, no way about the sticks out, yeah. Withdraws, I need another sit now, yeah. Change us, spilling tricks all on the wicks, yeah, huh. Pissed off, yeah.
and then everything just together, it kind of just sounds good.
Bitch.
This is real bad. No way about the sticks out, yeah. Withdraws, I need another sit now, yeah. Change us, spilling tricks all on the wicks, yeah, huh. Pissed off, yeah, my jeans still got rips, yeah.
Bitch.
I'm losing myself, yeah. I said I love you, but I don't love no one else. I'm blowing at that bed, you can tell by the way it smells. I die, going to hell. With a drink, I never to sell. You love me, it's hard to tell.
And inside of this bundle, I have the FL Studio 21 because I'm on 21. I also included FL20, so I'm selling both, and you can buy either or. It doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter actually. Like if you're using FL20, do not buy FL21 presets, please. You will set yourself up for failure, and you'll be like, man, what the hell? I can't use these sheets. Wait, that's fucking dumb. Anyway. Alright, so I'm gonna show how the preset works live, which I've never done before, so let's just try to do it. And I got a Warheart beat, and I made sure that the auto-tune was detuned because the beat is detuned. So like if I was to not have the detune on, it'd be like, yeah. And so you have to have the detune on. And the preset that I was talking about, I'll just make a new one. Watch. This easy. I put, if I can find it, here's the flingus. So literally default flingus, I don't care. The fruity fast distortion, I kind of just like put the mix down and just kept the distortion because I like how that sounds. And then OTT, I don't know, you put like the depth to like 40. I'm doing it with by eye. I can't even hear what it's doing, but yeah. So if I put it on, yeah. All right, I'm gonna try and record something. Hold on.
I wish I was more hard.
She asked me why I'm like this. I said cause I'm right, bitch. Got that gas, I light it. Left her while she typing. That's hard, bitch. I say you I'm like this. I said cause I'm right, bitch. Cause I guess I like it. Like the way she type it. I think you like the ad-libs. 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 There's auto-tunes. Wow. And she asked you I'm like this. I said cause I'm right, bitch. Cause I guess I like it. Like the way she type it. And she asked you I'm like this. I said cause I'm right, bitch. Cause I guess I like it. Like the way she type it. Let's take the auto off this and then and she asked you I'm like this. I said cause I'm right, bitch. Cause I guess I like it. Like the way she type it. I didn't really hear this, so it probably sound like shit. Like this, I said cause I'm right, bitch. Cause I guess I like it. Like the way she type it.
And that's basically it. I made that literally like in a few seconds. I mean, like I had the lyrics pre-written, so which is kind of cheating, I guess. But if you have the lyrics and you have the beat and the key and you just put a preset on, bro, you can literally just make anything.
And she asked you I'm like this. I said cause I'm right, bitch. Cause I guess I like it. Like the way she type it.
Yeah, that sounds good. Alright, anyway, see ya later.
Alright, so this is the end of the video. I hope this was helpful to some people. And in the comment section, I see that people ask me what gear I have or like what audio equipment. And I use the NT1A and the DT770s in the Focusrite. But in all my old videos, I was using the Afterglows, like this wireless Xbox headset and a Blue Yeti mic. And if you want the preset, it's going to be linked in the description, FL Studio 20 and the 21 preset. And if you purchase and you need help, DM my Instagram. It's also going to be linked in the description. And leave some comments for recommendations for other artists you want to hear. And see you later. Bye!